Hi and welcome to my channel Clean with me as I am recovering from malaria. It has been 5 days when I am on medication, and now it is today that the doctor removed the camera from my hand, and now I am going to be cleaning my whole house and then wash some clothes and do some other things, because honestly everything is so dirty at home. I have spent almost 6 days without cleaning anything. So today, since I don't have a cannula to limit me from doing my home duties, I am going to be cleaning. But first I am going to be starting with less hectic work. Then I will be proceeding. I will stop where I will stop. Where the energy takes me, that is where I'll stop. Also, during this sickness, I try to connect our television on the socket, but sadly I think we forgot our cable to connect the decoder. I'll be getting that for my children so that they get some entertainment from this television. So I'm going to be trying to clean this living room. After that, I'll see what next. Maybe clean the dining and then proceed some other chores, guys. I hope you subscribe and hit that post notification bell, and also like the video. It is so important, and I would like to know your opinions in the comment section, guys. Shadow. Chai. Now, this is our kitchen, and this is how it looks. All the plates are dirty, including the food. Everything is there, but I don't feel like cleaning the kitchen right now, and I don't feel like washing the utensils. Oh, who brought this inside the kitchen? So guys, as I told you that I'm going to be doing the less hectic work first, then I end with the more hectic ones. I decided to go into my kids' bedroom. I am starting with the boys' bedroom, and after the boys' bedroom, I'll proceed to go to the girls' bedroom. My son Shadrach is now asleep. He has been helping me here and there, but now he is asleep, and I think I am disorganizing him. I am making some noise for him, so I am praying that he doesn't wake up to disturb me again, because honestly, even though I completed this medication, I still don't have energy. I still don't have enough power to hold this and that. So I pray that he doesn't wake up. After comforting Shadrach and making him successfully sleep again, I headed to my daughter's bedroom to organize and make her bed. My daughter is a very busy person when she is in her bedroom, and as you can see, everything is everywhere. But regardless, I am going to be cleaning. It has been long without coming to their bedroom for a clear cleaning, but today, since I have regained some energy, let me clean for them. By the time they come back from school, their bedrooms will be shining. For some reasons, ever since I got sick, Shadrach refused completely to sleep in his bedroom at night. So I am sleeping with my Shadrach in my bedroom, and that is his bed sheet, which one? The one I'm folding right now. He brings his toys and brings everything in the bedroom whenever he sees me sleeping on my bed, and I guess he sensed some danger or maybe something not right with me. That is how Shadrach has been behaving, and I'm glad that in this period I have been sick. I haven't been dirtying a lot of things, so my bedroom is somehow clean, and I'm so proud of it because I'm not going to be cleaning a lot. I have been actually resting in between these home chores, and I'm from resting. Right now, let me sweep this compound. The goal is to complete each and everything before my children come back from school. I do not want to traumatize them, because if you saw them while looking at me when I was taking my medications, or maybe when I was going to take my injections from the clinic, they were so worried. So today I want them to come back and see that mommy doesn't have a cannula, mommy has done this and that. Today we have found some food at home and everywhere is clean. So that is my goal. Even if I finish in the evening, as long as they don't find this home dirty, that is my goal. I washed all the dishes and brought them outside in the sunshine, guys. I haven't shown you that part, but trust me, I did. Now I am going to be washing these clothes, everyone at least a towel and one cloth and some of their uniforms. I am going to be washing them, and after that I'll be scrubbing the shoes because all the shoes are dirty. So I'm going to be washing these clothes. Everyone has at least one cloth, and then after that I'll proceed with the shoes. Before my children left for school, I told them that when you come back in the evening, you are going to scrub all these shoes. The ones we use at home and the ones we use at school, and maybe when we are going to church or maybe in the town. So they went to school while knowing that in the evening they are coming back to clean these shoes. But I am going to wash them and surprise them in the evening. I told you that my goal is to make my children believe that I am actually completely cured, even though I'm still on medication, even though I don't feel enough energy yet. So that is what I want. I want to see that smile on my children. I want to see some comfort in them. So I'm going to scrub the shoes for them, and I can't wait to see to see them smiling, or that feeling of relief on their faces, because they don't want to come back from school and then do their home chores. Yeah, let me surprise them. I have finished all my chores. I'm just putting these shoes in the sunshine to dry, and then I'll go and prepare our dinner, lunch, maybe supper, everything in that one meal, because I'm sick. I'm still sick, guys. So I'm going to be preparing for them. Bye bye, guys. Let me see you in another one. Let me see you in another vlog. And don't forget to pray for me, because my daughter was sick and me too, and I don't want anybody else to get sick in this family. No. So guys, pray for me. Pray for me, because what is this? What do you mean that my daughter got sick and now me I am the one sick? Bye bye.